Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will speak about N Madhava Rao. He was born in 1887. He obtained his degree from Noble College, Musuripatnam. He obtained his LLB degree from Government Law College, Madras. He worked with several princely states and primarily with the Mysore state. He was a part of the Round Table Conference and he was involved in the drafting of Government of India Act 1935. He joined Constituent Assembly from the Orissa princely state. He spoke on various issues. He supported the development of village panchayats. He was of opinion that saving banks to be included under the state list and not in the union list. He also spoke on the post and telegraph department. Let us see that particular aspect. On 26th of August 1947, quote, "Now, some states I know are thinking of establishing their own saving banks, and it is quite likely that for their proper working, it would be necessary to ask the postal department to withdraw its own savings bank account system." Thirdly, with regard to the wireless broadcasting, there is a provision in section 129 of Government of India Act. I wish to know whether anything corresponding to this would be reproduced in the new constitution. Unquote. So if you see, the people spoke on varied issues in the Constituent Assembly. Now N Madhava Rao, he spoke on saving banks, postal departments, wireless and broadcasting issues. We are very grateful for his contribution in making the Constitution of India. Thank you.